Here there is also one loss, I think I told you already, which is also called as depression storage. I think I was able to give a formula which will calculate the depression storage, right? Then what is this watershed leakage? See, what is this watershed leakage? As I told you, watershed, the catchment area, basin, all are the similar synonymous word. They are all the synonymous word. It will be catchment area or watershed area, or whatever. Then or catchment basin. All are the similar words. All are the same similar words. They call it basin. Now, what is the watershed leakage? The watershed leakage is again. This is also a type of the losses in a bigger way or whatever that. It is nothing but the flow of water. If you don't talk as in flow of water from one basin to another basin, or one catchment area to another catchment area, or one watershed area to. How it happens? How this the flow of water, how the flow of water takes place, and finally where this water goes. The question is that finally where this water goes. This particular flow of water, they don't talk to say here below the surface of the ground. Whenever the rain falls, whatever that, then here below the surface of the ground, after having stored those particular water, which is mainly due to the groundwater infiltration. After the groundwater infiltration storage is full, something like that, then there will be a flow of water from one basin to another basin through the fissures, cracks, or faults. I think you have learned all these things in the geology.
Yes.
I think you have studied. Geology, you have studied all these things. Geology, you have studied or not? Not studied. Through this particular flow of water from one basin to another basin takes place through the fissures of the rock, cracks in the rock, or faults. Finally, where the water goes, where the water moves, where the water moves to sea, and the water moves to the sea. So this is the underground flow. This is nothing but the underground flow, or in the simple way, it should be the flow of water from one basin to the another basin, right or not, or one watershed to the another. This is also a type of a flow which is being observed in most of the catchment areas or most of the watershed areas. You take a small sketch. I will explain you that. You should take small sketch which will give you a clear picture. Okay. It is all there in my notes, don't worry. All are there in there. It is all there. Small sketch. Something standing here? No? Rotate. 1 minute. Some kata is going on. I separate the basin with a thick line. Thick line is basin number 1. Another thick line is basin number 2. Two basins. or then this happens only between the adjacent vessels. When it happens, this happens between the two adjacent vessels. You understand now? Adjacent. What is adjacent? Side by side. Adjacent basins or adjacent catchment areas or adjacent watershed areas, etc. Get up. You know something you should know. Next, I will there in my zone. You take. Adjacent basins are separated by the ridge lines in the rainfall over. Adjacent basins. Watershed leakage. Adjacent basins, spelling and all adjacent. And they written on. Adjacent basins are separated. बढ़िया you don't want to write क्या अभी मेरा मुंह क्यों देख रहे हैं ये कुछ नहीं होता है. You will not get anything by seeing my face. You get everything by seeing the face of the blackboard. थोड़ा आराम करो थोड़ा आराम करो समझ गए ये ना आराम से 3 hours time ಇದೆ 1 hour for opening the book, the second hour for taking the pen from the back and separated. Adjacent basins are separated by ridge lines. Ridge lines these are adjacent basins are separated by ridge lines so that rainfall over a basin flows towards the drainage lines. Bloody morning you are yawning like a, see you people I don't understand that. In the morning at 9 o'clock you are yawning like a hippopotamus. Have you seen hippopotamus? You people are yawning like a hippopotamus. You don't know, have not seen? You are all like a hippopotamus. Rainfall, so that the rainfall over a basin flows a mother upon a center portion. So that rainfall over a basin flows towards the drainage lines. In the bracket you write streams. Basin flows towards the drainage lines. In the bracket you write streams, etc. Drainage lines, no close the bracket. Drainage lines of the basin. Now definition I am going to give. Watershed leakage may be defined as flow of water from one basin to the other basin. Similarly, watershed leakage may be defined as flow of water from one basin to the other basin. Flow of water from one basin to the another basin, or one basin to the sea. One basin to the sea. One basin to the sea. Through major faults fissures through major fault. I think I written there, no, somewhere here. Through faults, a mathematical parameter, don't talk as it. Major faults, fissures, or geological features, geological features